Today we are going to discuss the equivalent focal length of two convex lenses. Ray diagram for the said purpose are shown here. Combination of thin lenses are used in optical instruments where two or more lenses are combined to increase magnification, to erect the final image, and to reduce certain aberrations. Here there are two thin lenses L1 and L2. Both are of convex in nature, are placed in contact coaxially as shown. Let C1 and C2 be their optical centers respectively. Let F1 and F2 be their focal length. Let a point object O is placed at a distance U from first lens L1 at principal axis. A ray of light originating from O incident on lens here, and since it is convex lens, therefore it will converge the ray of light. Here we have to assume that second lens L2 is absent now. If second lens L2 is absent, then ray of light originating from O incident at L1 at this point refracted and reaches at point I dash. Another ray originating from optical center of C1 passes undeviated and meets the first refracted ray at I dash. This I dash becomes the image of the object O formed by the first lens L1 alone. But in actual practice, or actually, second lens L2 is also present, and therefore this ray of light incidents on second lens L2. Now second lens more converges the ray of light, and ray of light meets at I. Another ray originating from O passes through C1 C2, meets the first refracted ray at I, and this I becomes final image formed by the second lens or formed by the combination. This first image I dash, let it is at distance B dash from the first lens, and final image I is at distance B from the second lens. Using lens formula for first lens, that is for first image, we have 1 by F1. F1 is the focal length of first lens L1. 1 by F1 equal to 1 by V, but P means image separation from the first lens, and separation of image for first lens is V dash, as it is clear from the diagram. 1 by B dash minus image object separation U, 1 by U, equation 1. But for second lens, if we use lens equation or lens formula for the second lens, we have 1 by F2 equal to 1 by V. Image separation for the second lens is V, 1 by V minus 1 by u. Object separation for second lens. Here it must be clear that I dash will serves as the object for the second lens. This virtual image formed by the first lens will serves as the object for the second lens. 1 by b minus 1 by b dash. Now adding equation 1 and 2. We have 1 by f1, 1 by f2 equal to 1 by b dash minus 1 by u plus 1 by b minus 1 by b dash. This 1 by b dash minus 1 by b dash cancel out. Now 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u is equation 3. This is equation 3. If we replace the combination by a single lens, means if we use a single lens in place of the combination of these two lenses having focal length कैपिटल F से, मान लिया हमने कि हम इस इंटायर कॉम्बिनेशन को रिप्लेस कर दे रहे हैं किसी सिंगल लेंस से जिसकी फोकल लेंथ कैपिटल F है, एंड दैट सिंगल लेंस is now capable to form the image of object O at separation U at I at separation B. मतलब जो सिंगल लेंस हमने यूज किया जिसकी फोकल लेंथ कैपिटल F कंसीडर किया, इस कॉम्बिनेशन को रिप्लेस किया, दैट सिंगल लेंस वो लेंस भी कैपेबल है इस ऑब्जेक्ट O की इमेज को I पर फॉर्म करने के लिए, और सेपरेशन U और B मेंटेन है, मतलब पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इमेज ये चेंज नहीं हो रही है. अगर ये एजम्पशन, ये कंसिडरेशन ट्रू है तो नाउ फॉर द सिंगल लेंस बी में राइट लेंस इक्वेशन एज 1 by f equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u. This is equation 4. From 3 and 4, from equation 3 and equation 4, b may write as 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2, or f equal to f1 f2 upon f1 plus f2. This is the expression for equivalent focal length of two thin lenses placed in contact. If number of lenses are placed in contact, let more than two lenses are placed in contact having focal lengths f1, f2, f3 and so on, then their equivalent focal length will be given as 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2, 1 by f3 and so on. And their magnifications will be given as m equal to m1 into m2 for two lenses if two lenses are in contact. then their magnification will be m1 into m2 if more than two lenses are in contact. Then since the each lens magnifies the image formed by the preceding lens, therefore total magnification of the lens combination will be the product of the magnifications produced by individual lenses, and therefore we may write it m equal to m1 into m2 into m3 and so on. Power of an equivalent lens. Power of an equivalent lens. Power of a single lens is given by P equal to 1 by F, reciprocal of focal length. If two lenses are in contact, then power may be given as P equal to P1 plus P2, as for focal length 1 by F equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. 1 by F equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 वाले फार्मूले को यहाँ अप्लाई कर देंगे तो 1 by F means equivalent focal length and 1 by F1 1 by F equal to equivalent power and 1 by F1 individual power of first lens and 1 by F2 P2 is the individual power of second lens. Therefore P equal to P1 plus P2. If number of lenses are in contact, then their powers may be given as P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on. Uses of equivalent lenses. First, telescope. Second, microscope. Camera, etc.